precious when you smile. Yeah. Hit it from the back and drive you wild. Yeah. Thought I lose myself up in those eyes.
What was I thinking? So I'm gonna cut my bangs. Smash! You're too loud! I love this one. Look, this candy. It tastes like coffee to me, so that's why I love it. And this one. Okay, focus. That one, I really like it. I love this. It's like coffee. Look.
Yeah, I like coffee.
Okay. You barely drink. I believe it, you
give no more frappuccino, no more nuggets, no more nothing.
So I'm gonna cut my bangs today. I'm gonna cut it by like my sister loves doing hair. Oh shit. My sister loves doing hair, but she's only gonna be here to see how I do it. Like, if I fucked up, she's gonna fix it. Probably not. The novela started, right?
Okay.
Let me cut mine. Not cut it. What am I doing? I'm looking at my hair straight. Okay, now the point. Okay, so I'm gonna get a little bit here. Wait, what's happening? Wait.
This bitch.
Shut up.
6.5 hours later.
Okay, and we're back. Okay. This shit is getting shiny. I don't know how people do this. There, look at that. That's a triangle. Right? Hell no, bitch.
Right there.
Should I cut it?
Right there.
How would I look? Wait. Good shit, right? Okay. Ready? I want to do it. I know. Hey, ready? Hey, I can't do it. I'm so blind. Hey. Ready? Hey. No. Ready?
Do it!
What if I fucked up my hair?
Oh my god, you don't grow back. Oh my god.
This scissors doesn't cut. See, God was telling me do not cut your hair.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Ooh, why did I do this? Wait, tie my hair here. Tie my hair, hurry. No, it's kidding. It's just scissors. You want side bangs?
Look.
Yeah.
Look.
I need a straightener.
That's all you have to do.
I fucked up my hair. Bring me the straightener.
For the better.
I'm blind. I look better in the mirror than in the camera.
Yeah.
Nada.
Outside, she's like, You want to do that in the bottom? That's not the way you do it.
I don't give a shit. It's my
You
hair.
twist it and then you start cutting.
No, you don't. People don't do
Yes, you
that.
do.
Don't cut your hair. No, don't cut it. Don't cut it, guys. Don't go to the salon, guys. Like, I really wanna like do my hair and like cut it and shit, but don't do it, guys. Don't do it. You're gonna fuck it up just like I did. Okay, guys. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Just don't. Nope. 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 Look, this is not even straight. This is why I hate my hair. Don't ever do it. Okay, guys. It's not even straight. Nope. Don't do it, guys. Don't do your hair. Don't cut your hair, guys. Okay, unless you know how to cut hair, then cut it. If not, don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Nope. 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 I regret it now. Don't do it. Don't do it. Nope. The worst decision I ever made in my life. Kind of second worst decision I ever made in my life. To be honest. Worst decision. It's not even straight. What I just did. I don't know. I don't know, guys. Do not ask me. Okay? Because I have no idea. I'm gonna tell my mom to fix it because I look ugly. What the fuck? Well, I kind of like it, but it's not straight. Like, you know, it's not straight. So I don't like it. I kind of do. Like, I do like it. Okay, yeah, I like it, but it's not straight. That's the shit that gets me tight. It's not straight. So if it's not straight, why the fuck would I like it? Fucking little hairs. Get out. So this is me fucking up my hair. So this is me fucking up my hair. Look at all of this hair. And there's some on my hands. You see this? See? Look.
Awesome. Look. This is how I fucked up my hair. Totally fucked it up. Look. I fucked up my hair. Totally fucked it up.
Kind of like it, but it's not straight. That's the shit. That's the only thing. Okay. I like it, but I gotta get used to it, and it's not straight. You see this? You see that? It's not straight. Okay? Okay. Bye.